Meaning of encroach.
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 Encroach. Encroach means to intrude gradually upon someone or something, especially in a way that causes harm or damage. It can also refer to the gradual occupation of someone else's territory, rights, or privileges. When one entity encroaches upon another, it leads to a negative impact on the affected party, which may include loss of control, diminished resources, or reduced power. The result of encroachment can lead to conflicts, disputes, or even legal action as both parties try to protect their interests and rights. Ultimately, encroachment can harm both the encroacher and the encroached.